Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host a meeting on Zoom. As we all know, Zoom is a very popular meeting application used all over the world. So I'm going to show you how to start and host a meeting on Zoom. So first of all, you have to download and install the Zoom application on your Windows PC. It's a very simple process, and after that install it and double click it to open the application if you have already installed it. And here, this is the interface. You can see there are a few options. You can start a meeting now, join, or schedule a meeting, but I'm gonna select a new meeting here. Click it, and here you can see it's asking for the permission of your microphone and your camera. So I'm going to select this one, the microphone, internal microphone, and the camera that I have. And after that, just select the start option here. So the meeting is currently on, but there are no participants. So if you want to invite other participants on your meeting, just click the participants option here, and you can select the option invite. And here you can choose from your contact list or you can email this link to the contact that you want to join, and like this a Gmail or default email. Or also you can copy the link, copy the invitation. If you copy this link, you can send the link to the other person via WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. And here is the meeting passcode. You can also send the passcode for the privacy reason, and the other participant can join very easily. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will see you in the next one.